all you hick chicks, Dixie divas, and you southern belles, all you redneck women, let me hear you yell.
Hello, this is Christian with OutdoorGameCameras.com, and today I'm doing an unboxing and review on this new 2019 Spypoint Link Micro Cellular Trail Camera. So first off, there's two models. This model right here is the AT&T model, and this is all blue right here. And there's a model that's a Verizon that is all red right here. So I just double check to look at the coverage, what fits you the best, whatever state you're in or wherever you live. The AT&T model fit me the best where I live, where I'm going to use this actual camera at. So first off, the size is great on this camera. It's little and tiny. I like that. The key things about this camera it comes with is pre-active SIM card that's installed. It runs off of 8 AA batteries, and that's not included. You have to get a SD card, HC card, and then you have a 10 MP pictures. And then this runs on the trigger speed is 0.5 second trigger speed, 80 feet flash range, low glow LEDs. This is the smallest cellular camera on the market right now, and so far this camera looks great. So let's unbox this camera. Alright, we just unboxed this new Spypoint Link Micro Cellular camera. So first off, it comes with a strap, comes with instructions, your camera itself. Here's the antenna, here's your detective lens, here's your photo lens, here's your LED. Right here is a screw where you can mount this camera on, and Spypoint sells those. On the side is a little lever, pulls out, and then this window opens. Right here displays on the cell signal and how that works. On my next review I'll show you more and talk about more about that on the quick setup. Right here is actually where the batteries go. It takes 8 batteries. They're not included. Pop this out. This is where your pre-active SIM card is. Make sure when you put this back in, this is up. Here, a little snap, you're good. On and off switch. This is your cell signal. This is your SDHC card, where that goes. Go ahead and shut this. Make sure it's tight. Pull out over and you're good. This is where your strap goes. This is where your security cable goes, and that's not included. Here's your back. Here's your top. Here's your side. Here's your bottom. Here's your other side. So far this camera looks great. Thanks for watching. This is Christian with OutdoorGameCameras.com. Subscribe and like, and leave a comment below.